Hey everybody, it's Kevin Key Speaks and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to pull a caption from one of my quotes. Don't let somebody else's small capability cap your ability. You know, a lot of times people give you their opinions based on what they can and cannot do, which isn't necessarily what you can and cannot do. I always think about the example of a big, powerful monster truck. This thing has been geared to just pull and jump and plow through things. And you look at the capability of a little Dodge Neon or a Dart or something very small or one of these smart cars. Now, the smart car looks and says, you can't do all that, because the smart car knows it can't do all that. And a lot of times people will look at what they can and cannot do, and they'll put it on you. But it's not necessarily the same assessment, people. What you've got to do is look at what you were made to do. Look at what you were designed to do. Look at what you have inside of you, your energy, your strengths, and build on those. You need to look at and master who you are and what you can do, what your abilities are, and maximize those. Don't look at what your friend has. Don't look at their failures or their successes, because they may not be equipped to do the things that you do. Now, does it mean that it's a bad thing if you are a smart car? No, because as a smart car, you're going to save on gas. You're going to be able to get in and out of traffic. You're going to be able to park wherever you want to park. So there's pluses and minuses in everything. You just have to find out who you are and what your strengths are and revel in that. Once you're able to know what you can do and how strong and how gifted you are in those areas, that's where you're going to be able to excel. And that's where you're going to start to find your niche and find your position, and you're going to be great at it. Why? Because you're going to be doing what you were designed to do. People, don't allow anybody else to tell you what you can and cannot do based on what they can and cannot do. Just search within yourself, find out who you are, and ride that one out. I promise you, if you do that, you'll get exactly where you want to be, and you'll go exactly as far as you want to go. Everybody, this is Kevin Key Speaks, another video. Don't let somebody else's cap lessen your ability. Excel, rise above it, be you, do the best you can be. KevinKeySpeaks.com. See you on the next one. Bye.